In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can set up a view in Zendesk. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and then log in to your Zendesk account. Once you're inside your Zendesk main dashboard, go to the top left right here beside the Zendesk logo, and once you click on support, a drop-down menu should appear. Click on Admin Center. You will then be redirected to another tab. From here, you would go to workspaces right here on the left panel and then click on views. Here is where you can set up and create a new view. So click right here, then give it a view name, add the description, choose who has access, either any agent, only yourself, or agents in specific groups, and of course, add a condition. It's either you meet all the following conditions or meet any of the following conditions. So it would be up to you. So let's add right here, choose the field, the operator, then of course you can preview it. Let's add also in the meet all of the conditions. And then choose up to 15 columns to appear in your view. You can even add a column right here if you want. Of course, by group, choose whether to group it by any of these options, and then choose whether to group it ascending or descending. And for order, you can also choose on which you want to group it by, and of course, whether ascending and descending. Once you're done with that, click on save. And that's it. You've successfully set up a new view in Zendesk. So, if you find this video helpful and want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.